What can you make in just 5 minutes with garlic and greens? This quick stir fry is healthy, crunchy, and so full of flavor. I'm making Yu Choy stir fry today. You can enjoy this on its own or serve it as a quick side with rice. Either way, it's delicious. So let's start. I always wash Yu Choy thoroughly under running water to make sure there's no dirt or bugs. I also separate the leaves from the thick stems. It makes cleaning easier and cooking more even. I'm using fresh Yu Choy today. Here in Canada, you get one packet, like 1 pound. I'm using half of the packet. So I washed and cut all the Yu Choy lengthwise. I even slit the thicker stems so the salt and flavor go all the way in. Take about 4 cloves of garlic and then chop them finely. Heat some oil in a pan. Add chopped garlic and a green chili. Adding green chili is completely optional. Let that sizzle for a few seconds. Now add in your Yu Choy and a little salt to taste. Mix it well and stir fry on medium heat. Yu Choy is rich in vitamin A and C, which are great for immunity and healthy skin. It also has fiber, which helps digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer. Perfect for a light side dish. Garlic here isn't just for flavor, it supports heart health and helps fight inflammation. I love that it cooks quickly and still keeps it crunch. That means the nutrients are intact. I like my Yu Choy slightly crunchy, so I cook it just for 45 minutes. It stays bright, fresh, and full of flavor. That's it, it's ready. Simple garlic Yu Choy. A quick side dish that's healthy and so tasty. Try it and let me know how you like it. I always love and prefer recipes like this. Simple ingredients, big flavor, and done in no time. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next quick fix.